Hi, my name is Caroline Lewis, Executive Director of the Clio Institute, and today I want to ask you to reflect on where you are in this world of changing climate science and a knowledge that humans just have to embrace. So think about two things. With respect to being climate literate, for understanding greenhouse gases, for understanding why they trap heat on Earth longer than it needs to stay, to understand what that warming does to the atmosphere, the land, the oceans. Think about your knowledge of climate science and think about how actively engaged you are in trying to right the wrongs of the warming planet that we are creating for man and for all of biodiversity on Earth. So picture this knowledge scale, climate science knowledge, and on a scale of 0, I know nothing, to 10, I know everything. Where are you? Give yourself a little self-assessment. 5 means you know a lot, but you really have a whole lot more to learn. I would put myself, and I've been a student of this for several years, and I'm a scientist and a science educator, I believe I'm at about a 6.5, maybe a 7, because there's so much to learn. But there's some of us that are down here on the 0 and 1. We haven't taken the time to really understand what all of this climate science is saying and why the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, all the climate scientists from around the world, have given us the consensus that it's real, it's serious, it's us, and what we do matters. So think about your knowledge scale and think about what will move you along to the next level. A class, a course, a video, some searches online. Get on with it. But let me see you move yourself up on that knowledge spectrum. With respect to climate change engagement, give yourself a scale from 1 to 10. How engaged are you in the conversation? How articulate are you in sharing your perspective with family, friends, and colleagues, in making choices that minimize your carbon footprint, by being an informed voter and voting? Where are you with engagement and understanding your role, finding your voice, and sharing that voice in every circle you can? In a nutshell, for me, that engagement requires us to act on the knowledge we have. And truly, the greenhouse gases, the gases we release from burning oil, coal, and gas, are the reason we're doing what we're doing. So we have no choice but to turn that economic engine towards renewable energies. And then we will have a chance. So hopefully, from this conversation, you will constantly monitor your score in climate science knowledge and in climate science engagement. I hope you're not all the way over here, but if you are, you have a longer journey and we'd love to help you. If you are on the journey, don't stop. Continue on your journey to full knowledge and full engagement, because together we are so much greater than the sum of our parts. And we can turn this ship and make it get this right and make this a livable world for all the creatures, great and small, and for our descendants long after we're gone. There's an old saying that says, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. And that's true. And our legacy will be a world that's hopefully better than we inherited. And we need your help to do that. Thank you.